Hey guys, welcome. We're at the Quick Factory in Raveena, Italy. And here is the full lineup of all 13 models of the Quick Gyro. So we start from the X2 and the X3 model. These are up to 3,900 Newton meters of torque in a tiny little box that's 42 centimeter footprint. Next size up, you have the X5, X7 and X10 models, up to 10,000 Newton meters of torque from a tiny 49 centimeter base plate. Next sizes up, you have the 13, the 16 and the 19 gyros. So the 19 is 19,000 Newton meters of torque in a gyro that's 59 centimeters square. And it is suitable for vessels up to about 55, 60 feet. A remarkable little machine. Then back over here, we have the X25 and X30 models. So you're talking vessels up to easily into the 60-foot range. And then the big boys, we have X40, X56 and the brand new X75. This machine here delivers 75,000 Newton meters of anti-roll torque. We're talking vessels in the 100-foot range. This is the full lineup of 13 machines. We have DC models as well as AC models. Contact the team at Gineico and we'll pick which one of these machines best suit your boat. Ciao.